Hey, I want to show you all. I purchased this cookbook stand and I wasn't sure from the pictures online what the size of it was or if it came fully like this or what happened. So let me show you. I took it out and it was these two pieces, which were large and beautiful and sturdy. And I figured, okay, this is a puzzle. Nailed it. It just goes, yeah, no screwing, no nails, no hammer. But look at how wide this is. I am loving this because in my farmhouse kitchen, I have wood. You can see my floor is wood, my island is wood, and this is where I have for the stand to go. So when I'm cooking, this is going to be the perfect place for it. You can display your book all the time, or you can open it up while cooking to the recipe you want. So besides displaying a beautiful book, what I love is that it's sturdy enough to hold a big book while I cook. Let me take a little back view so you can see how nicely that's set up. And it doesn't fall, it's not flimsy, I don't have to worry about the pages moving. I've had others and my cookbooks have been too heavy for them. That's why I absolutely love that this is made of real wood and it goes with my decor, but it's also sturdy. And that's one of the things I love about it. Plus it can do this. When you don't have a cookbook and you just want to display a beautiful saying that's on a plate that you have, I decided to get even heavier for you in case you want to show off this very heavy wooden bowl. It even fits that. So I am loving the size of this. Any kind of little household saying that you might just want to display. Now that's what I call multitasking. That you can use this for, and it's something I've been wanting to do, is I'm getting an old-fashioned Victrola record player. And how great would it be if the albums were in here? I love that it can hold albums, because what a great stand. I want to show you the thickness. So that's a lot of albums, and I'm pretty excited about that. Love the sturdiness, and I love that it comes apart so easy that it can travel with me anywhere.